Oh my god, the podcast?
Hello, welcome to the podcast. How you doing today?
Oh my god, hi, I'm doing good.
That's great to hear. Ozzy, how you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good.
She's doing pretty good. That's great to hear.
That.
We're here to ask you 10 questions. If you answer all 10 questions correctly, we will buy you a brand new car.
Ooh, okay.
Are you ready for question number 1?
Oh, yeah.
Question number 1. Let's say you are molding a sculpture. You get to the end and the arm breaks off. What do you do next?
Eat a banana. God, I'm on the podcast.
That guy's probably expensive. Shit.
What the fuck?
No streaks, nothing.
Dude,
Perfect.
he's using that thing like it's a fucking ninja star,
Yeah.
man.
Can you imagine what he could do with his dick?
Hustle if you need a centerpiece. 20 racks of table cut from ebony. Cut that ivy into skinny pieces. Then she clean it with her face, but I love my baby. I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. I want you back. Skinhead, deadhead, everybody gone bad. Situation, aggravation, everybody allegation. In the suit, on the news, everybody dog food. Bang, bang, shot dead, everybody gone bad. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us.